Let me ask you this. Have you ever looked in the mirror at yourself and said to yourself, at this stage of your life, you're supposed to be far more advanced in life? Have that, have you ever done that? Have that ever happened to you? Have you ever wanted to store or save or buy gold and silver, but there was not a system that will get you to do that on a regular basis? Well, I have been in that position. And I got out of that position when I was introduced to a system that allows me to get precious metals every single month. I am telling you, I enjoy getting my MS70 silver every single month. Beautiful coins. Beautiful coins, I'm telling you. Month after month, I am getting them, and they're all graded MS70 silvers. Right? This is but just a few. If that is something that you want to know more about, stick around. I am going to show you what it takes to get it done. So, let me show it to you now.
If you're watching this video, you know the value of gold and silver and probably already own some of it yourself and definitely want more. But you're wondering, why 7K? We have a different kind of model. We have built and leveraged relationships spanning the globe in the precious metals industry to bring you an exclusive membership model that for the first time, regardless of your financial circumstances or how little you have to spend, makes buying gold and silver easy and accessible to you. Here at 7K Metals, we use the power of gold and silver to provide a way for people like you to create financial independence, preserve wealth, and live an exceptional life. A small part of our exclusive membership is giving you access to the power of precious metals at the absolute best price. How? We cut out the middleman and act as our own broker, wholesaler, and dealer, saving you money and making buying precious metals even more affordable. In the traditional model of buying gold and silver, by the time it gets to you, it is passed through many different people who each take a cut before passing it to the next. Sometimes it passes through as many as 4 to 5 people or organizations, being marked up each time before you have access to purchase it. We do things differently. As I mentioned, we cut out everyone in the middle and offer gold and silver to you at extremely competitive prices. Oh, and did we mention there are no minimums or maximums, period. One of the major advantages of your new membership is we do the work for you. Most people avoid buying numismatic and collector's coins simply because they're scared, don't understand their true value, and have no idea what they're looking for. But the truth is, if you're not buying collector's coins, you likely are going to repeat the $1.2 million mistake. This is what a certain collection of coins is worth today if you had just purchased one of them a month since 1986. The good news is you don't have to repeat the same mistake twice. We do the research for you and put collecting coins on autopilot. Now, you're probably no newbie to silver and gold, and know there are many reasons why collecting coins is a smart thing to do. But that doesn't mean it's easy. Why? Because of discipline. Most people today lack the discipline to do the small things that will lead to big things over time. This is why we created the Autosaver program. It's an optional program in 7K Metals, but one of the things we are most loved for. Basically, we will send you a collector's coin every single month. At the end of the year, you'll be able to look back and see that you've been collecting something that will change your life forever. Something that will have a lasting impact for generations to come. Fact is, you're going to spend the money anyway, so you might as well spend it on something that will help you accumulate real wealth. Our Autosaver or Coin of the Month program, as we sometimes call it, not only helps you with discipline, but also gets you in the coin collecting game, which is one of the most valuable things we learned as we researched gold and silver. We had no idea how valuable and how easy it is to collect the right coins when you know what you're doing. So by participating in our Autosaver program, you get all these benefits in several different options. The Silver Eagle is a favorite, but some of the other collections and options make it feel like Christmas is hitting your doorstep every single month. Rest assured, we have an option that will fit you. In fact, most members have a hard time choosing just one option, so they choose 2 or 3. Our promise to you is that whatever option you choose, it will have the things that make each one valuable: rarity and story. Not only can there be a lot of money with these collectibles, but they're the most fun for people of all ages. So, by choosing to become a member of 7K Metals, you get access to our buyer certification program with no monthly commitment, access to silver and gold at the best price, no minimums, no maximums, period. Access to our exclusive Autosaver program, coins sent to your door every month on Autopilot. Access to the collectibles that show to be the most rare and hold the greatest promise of potential future value. You also become part of a group of like-minded people that are changing an industry and ultimately the world. Now, as I mentioned earlier, here at 7K, we use the power of gold and silver to provide a way for people like you to create financial independence, preserve wealth, and live an exceptional life. While collecting gold and silver certainly contributes to this, we don't stop there. If you like our story and want to share it with others, we will pay you for that sharing. It's no different than you sharing your favorite restaurant, a movie you liked, or a new book you just read. No different, except we actually pay you for sharing it. Fact is, if you like something, you share it, and we feel you should be rewarded for that sharing. We certainly appreciate it, and it's our way of saying thank you. And beyond that, it's just another way for us to use the power of gold and silver to provide you a way to create financial independence, preserve wealth, and live an exceptional life. Oh, one last thing. Something we noticed as we did our research was that some of the wealthiest people and corporations make up the largest buying groups of precious metals. And we learned from them that silver and gold is really about a lifestyle. Now, what better contributes to a rich lifestyle than travel? Not to mention, it's something that just about everyone wants to do more of. So, we decided to reward you again for being part of 7K Metals. With your monthly Autosaver purchase, and starting when you choose your membership package for the first time, we will unlock what we call 7K Advantage. 7K Advantage will be your personal travel booking site. Inside that portal, or the phone app if you choose, you will find over 800,000 ways to save. From your favorite local restaurants, to great deals on big name brands, to booking travel for business, or what we like, for fun. The average member can easily save over $1,000 per year without even trying. In fact, one of our members reported that they saved several $100s on their trip to Disneyland. If you think about it, this member benefit alone is worth every penny of the membership and makes it feel like you're getting free silver every single month. With the 7K Advantage, you will save more where you have to spend so you can spend more where you want. So here's what I want you to do now. Click the button below that says Become a Member. Or if you don't see one, get back to the person that sent you this and they can help you get started. If you're even the least bit curious about how we pay you for sharing, click the button below that says Next Video, or click the next video you'll see on the screen. Either way, I'm genuinely excited about the journey you are about to embark upon. You are literally one click away from accumulating wealth and enhancing your lifestyle like thousands of our other members are doing every day. You have nothing to lose. I suggest you take all this knowledge I've shared with you and do something with it, for you and your family. Click the button below. Begin your journey. And remember, we believe in you.
So now that you have watched that video, all you have to do is click the link below and you will have full access to getting your hands on these precious silver and getting paid. And remember to click the bell, click the link below, and subscribe to the channel if you want to get some more information. So I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Let me ask